Hello guys! Lunchtime! So, meron tayo ditong nilutong adobong manok. Ayan. Chicken breast at saka may chicken legs, chicken breast. At meron tayo ditong adobong sitaw na may green peas. At ito ang ating kanin. So, ayan. Magkakamay na lang tayo. At ang sarap ng ating pananghalian. Ang sarap ng ating ulam para sa pananghalian. As you can see guys. So, simple pero masarap. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Let's eat. Lunchtime. Check by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, ayan guys. Thanks for watching. Look yummy. Ayan. Nagmamantika-tika pang sabaw. Ayan. Gravy. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.